Hey creators, ever spent hours making a video only for it to get crickets? Chances are you're missing one key piece of the puzzle, the content gap. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly what content gaps are, how to find them fast, and how to turn them into videos that get views. Stick around till the end for a real-world example you can copy. So first, what is a content gap? Simply put, it's the space between what your target audience is searching for and what's currently available on YouTube. For example, if people are searching for how to fix battery drain on iPhone 15, but every video online is about the iPhone 13 or 14, that's a content gap. It's not that no one's talking about the topic, it's that no one's addressing the specific need of that audience segment. There are a few types like topic gaps, where no one has covered a subject, angle gaps, where you bring a new perspective to a popular topic, and audience gaps, where you make content for a specific group, like beginners or experts. Here's the thing, when you target a content gap, you're not fighting against huge channels with millions of views. YouTube's algorithm loves fresh, relevant content that solves problems. So gap videos often rank faster and get more organic traffic. I used this strategy to grow my channel by 20,000 subscribers in 3 months, all from videos that filled gaps no one else was addressing. It's the fastest way to stand out when you're starting out. So, how do you find them? First up, use YouTube's own tools. When you search for a keyword, look at the auto-suggest terms that pop up as you type and the People Also Ask section below the video results. If no videos answer that exact question, you've got your gap. Next, head to top videos in your niche and read the comments. People will literally tell you what they want to see next. Jot down questions that keep coming up but aren't answered in the video. A pro tip is to use Ctrl+F to search comments for keywords like how, what, or when. Finally, tools like Answer the Public turn your keyword into a map of questions people are asking online. Type in your topic and it'll show you gaps you never even thought of. For example, a search for home gym setup might show you how to build a home gym in a closet, which is a clear gap. Once you've found a gap, here's how to structure your video. Lead with the gap. Start by saying, I noticed no one's talking about X, so here's how to do it. Be specific and answer only that gap question without getting off topic. And most importantly, add value with tips, examples, or templates your audience can use right away. For example, if your gap is vegan meal prep for 2 weeks on a budget, focus only on that. Here's how I used this. I saw people asking about small space home gyms, but all videos were for big garages. So, I made a video focused on closets and tight spaces. And it's now my top performing video with 150,000 views. So, to recap, find what your audience wants, see what's missing, and fill that gap. It's that simple. If you try this strategy, let me know in the comments which gap you're targeting. And don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Next week, I'm showing how to edit gap videos fast in CapCut.